Hi Year 7, just a quick hello from me because I'm going to do a video in a minute which focuses on the actual drawing that I want you to do, but we are going to be doing more of our skulls. Now I know you did this in class because I've had a look, but I think it would be really beneficial for us to spend a bit more time on this. So I'll give you lots of different levels of difficulty so you can make it easier or challenge yourself. And I'll upload all the resources you need, including some demonstration videos. I'll also be online if you need to contact me. So the easiest option is to add shading to a template that you've printed out. The next slightly harder challenge is to draw half the skull in. So print it out, sketch the half that you see here onto that side, but it should be pretty symmetrical to that half. You could just draw the skull onto blank paper. That's what you're going to have to do if you don't have a printer, okay? Or even just part, you could just draw the eye or just a section, doesn't have to be the whole skull, as long as you've got something to shade in, okay? And then we come to the shading. So in this example, I've mixed together my biro, my pencil and my coloured pencil, but you could just pick the one that you like. You don't have to try all three. I just wanted to do a sample of all three to show you on the video. So for my blue and my purple, to get the light and the dark, I actually used my purple as a lighter tone and my blue as a darker tone. If you are going to use more than one colour, try and pick cool colours and put them together, or you could pick warm colours and put them together. So if I had used red, orange and yellow, I would have used red for the dark areas, orange for the mid-tones and yellow for the lightest areas, as well as leaving my paper for the lightest areas. And these are warm colours. So try and pick colours that are close together on the colour wheel, okay? The other thing you might need is a biro. So these are just writing pens. I've just got a black one and a blue one. I use blue one for this. And also just a normal pencil and probably a rubber so you can take out your highlights. And that's my pencil section here. I don't mind which you use. I don't mind if you experiment with all of them. But what I really want you to focus on is the light and dark areas. So the darkest areas on this skull are the centre of the eye, the nose cavity, the nose area, these bits here where there's a dip in the skull, and under here where they're slightly in shadow, and the light's hitting the skull from this side, so these areas are lighter and this area is darker. And what I want you to try and achieve with your shading is that light and dark tone. Also, I'd like you to notice the different lines and cross-hatching that this skull has, and try and put some of them into your drawing as well. So we're experimenting with different types of media, different colours and different types of line. So you can upload your finished pictures to Show My Homework by adding a photo and adding it as an attachment by your name.